We're doing awesome in this day and age. However, if you can't adapt, chances are you're going to end up suffering a little bit. With today's technology, everything is moving so much faster at, I'd like to say, an exponential rate, that by the time you learn one skill in the job market, it may be obsolete. Creating and engineering your own lifestyle is the new buzz, and through technology, a lot more people today are able to do that. For example, creating a web page, creating something that you can promote, creating a brand and a logo will help you become, in many cases, financially free. One of the best and most trusted platforms for creating websites these days is Bluehost. Bluehost hosts over 2 million websites, and they have customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't know about you, but if you don't plan and engineer your own life, someone else is going to do it. And that someone else usually doesn't have your best intentions in mind. So, as a recommendation, check out Bluehost, create a website, be creative, get entrepreneurial, engineer your own life.